In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coinbase, a straightforward platform for buying, selling, and managing cryptocurrency. If you're new to the world of crypto, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through every step to get you started confidently. First, let's begin by either downloading the Coinbase app on your smartphone from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, or by navigating directly to their website on your computer. Whichever option you choose, both the app and the website are user-friendly and designed to make your crypto experience as smooth as possible. Once you've got Coinbase ready, you'll need to create an account. You'll be prompted to input some basic information such as your name, email address, and a strong password. After setting up an account, Coinbase will ask you to verify your identity. This is a crucial step for security purposes and involves submitting a form of identification like a driver's license or passport. Now that you're all set up, it's time to link a payment method. You can decide whether to use a bank account, credit, or debit card. Adding a payment method is important because it will enable you to buy cryptocurrency when you're ready. Make sure the payment method you use is secure and reliable to ensure a seamless transaction process. Once your payment method is linked, you can start buying cryptocurrency. The Coinbase platform offers a variety of coins to choose from, including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Decide on the coin you wish to purchase and enter the amount you want to buy. The process is straightforward, and Coinbase will provide a handy preview of your transaction before you confirm it, showing the current price and any associated fees. After purchasing your cryptocurrency, you need to decide where to store it. You have two main options: keep it in your Coinbase wallet or transfer it to another wallet if you prefer. The Coinbase wallet is convenient and secure, especially for beginners. However, if you're an advanced user, you might want to explore external wallets for more control over your assets. With your cryptocurrency safe and sound, you can now use the app for various transactions. The app makes it easy to send, receive, or trade cryptocurrency. It's perfect for quick transfers, whether you're buying a coffee with Bitcoin or sending some Ethereum to a friend. Finally, it's essential to keep an eye on your investments. Coinbase has an excellent feature that allows you to monitor your portfolio and check market prices. This way you can make informed decisions about your investments and track how your digital assets are performing. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started with Coinbase. By following these steps, you're well on your way to navigating the dynamic world of cryptocurrency with confidence and ease.